In this video, I'll show you how to add an API integration in Base44. First, open your web browser, go to the Base44 website, and sign into your account. Then open the app where you want to connect an external API. Next, gather the information you'll need from your API provider, including the API endpoint, API key, and any required documentation. If the API requires authentication, make sure you have your credentials ready before continuing. Now, open the AI Builder or chat in Base44 and describe the integration you want to create. Tell Base44 which API you're using, what data you want to send or receive, and how you want that data to appear in your app. If your API requires an API key, follow the prompts to configure it securely instead of adding it directly to your code. After that, let Base44 generate the integration. It will create the necessary requests, connect your app to the API, and display or process the returned data. Review the generated implementation, then test the integration to make sure the API requests are working correctly and the data is being handled as expected. Finally, continue refining the integration by asking Base44 to add features such as filtering, search, pagination, error handling, or automatic updates. Once everything is working correctly, publish your updated app. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add an API integration in Base44. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.